Hello, how's it going? Got the day off, very excited. Gonna go do some flying today down at my buddy's house. I'm almost 60 degrees. Got some high winds today, 20 to 25 mile an hour winds. So I'm going to work on some altitude control today. We're gonna try to keep this guy low to the ground while still doing some flying. Hopefully we won't lose it in a gust of wind. But that's what we're gonna work on today. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. All right. Just got back from flying, and as predicted, very windy. I think the second or third flight in, pretty bad crash with a gust of wind and broke the frame again. And I just noticed we got a crack in the canopy too. I don't know if you can see that. But anyways, got to do some repairs tonight. So yeah, got to work on a few things. It was fun. It was good to get out there and do some flying again after being sick for about a week. So, gonna get to doing some repairs and get back at it tomorrow. All right. See you next time. Wish me luck. All right.
Hello. You would put your. Does that make any sense? Yeah. Edit, delete. Right.